Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is That Vegan Teacher talking everything ethical, sustainable, lifestyle now, mostly it seems like. What I've got for you today, this little beauty came in the mail. This is my very first Petit Vour box. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's all cruelty-free, vegan, and I think it's beauty in this guy. So we're gonna pop this bad boy open, see what's in there. So join me in opening my March Petit Vour. Okay, so here we go. Here it is. It's so cute. And I did not let the card fall on the ground this time. Okay. So this little guy just tells, it looks like there's 4 products in here. And this is like luxury makeup. I'm pretty sure it's luxury, cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle is what it says. Free of animal testing, animal ingredients, and harmful toxins for the easiest transition to cruelty-free beauty. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay. So this guy is a konjac. Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a sponge, but it's a face cloth for the face of an angel. So here's this guy. And it's like an exfoliating cloth. It is certified vegan, cruelty-free. And you use it when you're taking your makeup off. Suitable for sensitive skin. So we'll have to try that out. I don't know. I just found something else that maybe I'll talk about on my empties video when I make it, when my stuff is empty. But I found a good makeup dissolving milk. Okay, this is Feed Your Ends Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, that's nice. So here's this guy. So this one is to protect your hair from heat, and it's free of all the yucky stuff that shows up in hair products. They just showed this on their, or using this on their Instagram today. I saw it. So I'm excited to use this. The hardest thing for me shifting to cruelty-free vegan beauty routine has been hair stuff. I mentioned that in, I think, my Ulta video, but it's just been really difficult, like color and maintenance for my hair, because my hair is just one of those things that if I feel like if people's hair looks bad, it's just ain't nobody got time for that. So there's this. What else is in here? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is an eyeshadow. So this is the Everyday Minerals, and it's an eyeshadow. Boop. It's this color. It says, this velvety soft tan eyeshadow with pearlescent sheen is perfect for highlighting the lid, brow bone, inner corners, and even the tops of your cheekbones. Oh, okay, so it's like an eyeshadow and a highlight, which is awesome because I'm really into highlights. I want to be sparkly all the time. I never thought I would say that, but it is true. I would like to be a unicorn when I grow up. So this is the eyeshadow that comes in it. And then the last thing is argan oil. I love argan oil. I use argan oil on my face every single day. I use it in my hair. It's kind of the multi-purpose oil for your healthy body. So it's lightweight, absorbs easily, and adds an instant glow factor. And this one is cruelty-free. Yay! But argan oil, okay, and this is, I'll just do it up close. Argan oil is like my everything. So I'm really excited that there's another one, because I've been using a different kind that I am not sure is cruelty-free. I've just been waiting to run out of it. But you get like a bottle. Like this size will probably last like 3 months plus. The one that I have is a bigger bottle, and it I got it in before school started in like August, and it's still like not even close to being gone. Because when you use it, you just take like 4 or 5 drops on your hand, and then you just like kind of pat it in to your face. And that's pretty much what I use it for, but I do use it every day. So that's everything that comes in the box this month. I got a bonus because they always have bonuses, and I'm really excited for this. It's Shimmering Body Oil by Connie? I don't know. All I know is they are a company that is from Spokane. Only the coolest place in the world. Spoiler alert, that's where I live. So I'm really excited. Maybe I should just test this on myself right now. Oh my gosh, look how sparkly. Okay, if you're like, do you see those sparkles? Yeah, boy. That's this stuff. I'm excited to use it. But this was an add-on if you ordered the box. I'm not sure if it still is. It was at the beginning of the month. But yeah, so I got that. And that's everything in this month's box. All right, everyone, I want to thank you for joining me for this unboxing of the March Petit Vour beauty box. Please, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also like the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you want to see what this stuff looks like when you actually use it? Just let me know. Ooh, this smells good. Ooh, it smells good too. But yeah, let me know. Bye. And it's to protect you from heat and add shine. Spray on day. It says it's like an